Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the 10th standard geography. Now we're going to discuss about the islands group of India. Island groups of India. We know very well the India has two island groups. One is Andaman and Nicobar Island groups. And the other one is Lakshadweep Island groups. And these two groups is controlled and administered by the government of India. The Andaman Nicobar Island groups is situated on the Bay of Bengal Sea, and the Lakshadweep Islands are situated on the Arabian Sea. In the Andaman Nicobar Island groups are originated by the tectonic activities and volcanic activities. Actually, what is tectonic activities? Tectonic activities is nothing, the lithosphere. We already studied in the tectonic activity concept in 9th standard. The lithosphere is the outer part of the solid outer part of the earth. The lithosphere is divided into a huge slab. In the slabs are called a continental plate. The plate is floating over the mantle. The plates are moving here and there on the molding fire. When the two plates are collided each other, at the time it come to closer and closer and it's collided each other and produce mountains, plain plateau regions. Here that all the Andaman Nicobar Islands are submarine mountains that are produced by the tectonic activities. And also volcanic activities also. Volcano is when the opening of the earth crust that through the solid lava and magma is come outside and it form cone shaped mountain among the seas. It is called as islands. These islands are situated on the Bay of Bengal. These continuous mountains of Java and Sumatra mountains. So now we are going to discuss separate mountains. Separate islands, Andaman Nicobar Islands. Now we are going to discuss the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Now let us discuss about only the Andaman and Nicobar Island. First, Andaman and Nicobar Island is situated on the Bay of Bengal. I told it. It's situated 1,500 kilometers away from the Tamil Nadu, and mainly in these island groups totally consist of 572 islands. The totally the Andaman Nicobar groups all consist of 572 island groups. It occupy an area about 8,249 square kilometer. How many square kilometer are occupied this Andaman Nicobar Islands? The 8,249 square kilometer of area are occupied by these islands. And not only that, here the climate of these mountains, climate of this Andaman Nicobar Islands are both hot and wet, because of that islands are situated very closer to the equator. The equator, see that the longest parallel line of the earth is called as latitude. The latitude, that India starts from 8 degree 4 minutes north latitude. It is very closer to the equator. Due to the closer, the climate of this area is very hotter and also wet. And not only that, here in these islands are elevated portion of submarine mountain. The mountains are elevated portion. because the mountains that's appear above the water. What is the island? You know very well that island. What is the island? Island is nothing. The piece of land is surrounded by all side water is known as island. And also we can say otherwise that the island is nothing, that is a piece of land that appear above the water is called as a island. Usually that islands are appear among the water. In the islands, I mean only the top of the mountains only appear, and other part of the mountain are submerged under water is called as submarine mountains. Andaman Nicobar Island and also Lakshadweep Islands are submarine mountains. And Andaman Nicobar are great strategic importance. Andaman Nicobar Islands are getting the very important political and geographical strategic importance, because of Andaman and Nicobar Islands are situated very close at the Malaccan Strait. Malaccan Strait is a strait between the Malaysia and Indonesia. In the strait is helping to trade with neighboring countries, especially the eastern countries, especially Russia, like China and Indonesia, Java, Sumatra, and Borneo, and many other countries are lies in the east part of the India. So we can trade, we can easily carry the goods and to the other countries by the Malaccan Strait. And also in the Andaman Nicobar Islands to helping us to protect our country from the enemy countries, because of some countries threatening us. That is Malaccan Strait is also situated nearby us, nearby the Andaman Nicobar. That's why it's getting the strategic importance. And the Port Blair is the administrative capital of Andaman Nicobar. Port Blair. The Port Blair is capital. Capital city of Andaman and Nicobar Island. And 10-degree channel is separate Andaman from Nicobar. The 10-degree channel, there's a 10-degree channel lies between Andaman and Nicobar. 10-degree channel is a strait. The strait lies between the Andaman and Nicobar. In the strait is separating Andaman and Nicobar. The strait is separate Andaman from Nicobar, and not only that, the south part of Andaman Nicobar Island is called as the southmost part of Andaman and Nicobar Island is called Indra Point. The point is otherwise called as a Bigmalian Point, and after 1974, and the point were renamed Indra Point because of we honor the Madam Indira Gandhi. That's why it's called as a Indra Point. The point is consists of southmost point of India. Thank you very much for watching this.